All right, good morning, cyber traders. Let me get a little audio check if everybody can hear okay. Good to see you all. Good morning, Brian, everyone. Lawrence, all right, good. All right. So hopefully everybody had a very good Thanksgiving and a happy Black Friday. I saw a lot of you guys jumping on the Black Friday deal, which was awesome. Listen, one of the big things that we do that you get some pretty good deals if you want to continue with certain things that we have. We have some good deals on the new upcoming on-site class that's going on. We have a couple of coaching things, a couple of good deals, and so please make sure you check that out. We also have pretty good deals on Cyber Monday too, so definitely check them out. Anyway, last week, what a very interesting market conditions. First of all, I just want to talk about this UMAC. So I felt a little awkward chasing it, and if you listen to me on Friday, I was saying, this is really weird. This stock is not going down. Okay. It's just not. Something is up with it. Don't know what's going on, but we all know that this could be the new next Trump stock. And we've seen what happened in the last several days. Actually, the beginning of the month. I mean, news must have came out early when it was at $1.50. But the stock, you could see it here. Let me blow it up a little bit bigger. You can see what's going on. So news came out. Don Jr. is, Trump's son. There could be another Trump stock. Went from 270. We saw stock go from 5. News came out, went to 11, went to 18. I ended up chasing at 18. Okay. And the reason why, and this is what you're going to learn, we're going to talk about this week for some of you that are going to be my gold, my platinum students, diamond students. We cover this in phase 3. It wasn't going down. It was hovering. So remember, to be a good swing trader, to even have a slight chance of succeeding in options trading, you gotta know how to day trade first. Okay. That's just how it goes. So I end up buying it right here. I still own the PLTR, but I bought it at 1867. And I'm like, you know what? It's not going down. It's not going down. Now, the problem with this stock, I just want to make one comment regarding it. It is extremely difficult to day trade now. It's not an easy stock to day trade. You got to swing trade it. It's a little bit different. So same thing with PLTR and all the other ones. Very, very difficult to trade them. All right. But I know, once again, it was a great mover. We talked about it. And I'm actually going to post a video on it for some of you that follow us on social media. Or maybe you're watching this as a recording, whatever it is. I'll talk a little about it, what I see, what's going on. But a couple other stocks also before we go through the watch list, because listen, it is Monday, coming back from a holiday. I'm not a big fan. You could see the Dow Jones is not doing that great. The S&P is not doing that great. It was a long week. It's probably the busiest traveling days of the year. Kids are off the day before Thanksgiving, so whatever. But anyway, the honeymoon is over, and now we got Christmas is coming up. You know me. I hate holidays. It totally screws everything up between the day that starts and the day it ends. So Monday, to be a little careful. But anyway, regarding about what move, we'll talk about some of those stocks. We had the ACHR that did really well. This is another stock. Turned into a day trade, convinced into a swing trade, went from $4 to $9, still looking strong. I'm putting all these stocks on the watch list. ACHR, I'm putting back the UMAC. All those stocks are going on this watch list. Joby, GOBY, same thing, follows side by side with it. That one's doing great also. $5 stock to $9 stock. Joby is still going higher. All right. One of very interesting industries, aviation industries of, aviation taxis, whatever. Those are doing pretty well. A couple other stocks also that we traded that we did well too last week. VCIG, that one was a nice mover earlier, but it kind of backed off. And RCAT. All right. RCAT is still looking pretty strong. Another one. Inexpensive stock. Started right around 220, 250. Now look where we're at. Went to $5, $7.50. Now we're at a price of $12.20. Okay, great mover. This one, Red Cat, going back on the watch list. So once again, AI stock, and this is how they turn into day trades when you want to say you want to consider swing trading. Same thing. But we're going to put this on the B list. It is even though it's up a little bit today, It did hit a high around 4 or 5 o'clock this morning, right around 13, but starting to come back down. All right, now there are a couple of other stocks that are moving pretty good on the day trading side. Who knows? They might turn into swing trades. They might turn to options trades. But I want to start off with this one stock right here, RGTI. This is the stock also going back on Friday. I didn't want to bring it up yet, when I went through the watch list, because I wanted to bring up now because I want to show you how much this thing went up, because how it turned to a day trade, turned into a swing trade. This stock in the morning was around 246, shot up to $3. Great, inexpensive, slow mover. Now he gapped up to 360. I checked over here on the big iceberg orders. I'm not really seeing any big sellers out there other than around $4. There are more buyers than sellers. You could see it right here, 310, 340. And we got that $4. Warren says Fausto is bringing up the SMCI. Yeah, let me bring that up for you right now. Warren on YouTube is saying the SMCI. Yeah, big pop on SMCI right there. Boom, look at that. Gorgeous move on it. Don't know. News must have just came out. This is why we like to do our events, right after 9 a.m. because this way you got program trading kick in. This is when news starts coming up. Yeah, stock's up about $4.30. SMCI. This stock took a big hit. It was doing pretty well, and it came back up. It was hovering around 32. But, yeah, we got a big move right there. We'll find out what the news is on that. Rich, could you find out the news on that? NVIDIA's moving up as well. A little bit, yeah. NVIDIA's moving up pretty well, too, with it. You could see that right there. I don't know. You know what? Intel came out with news, too. I don't know if that has something to do with it, but Intel had a big pop, and I'm really pissed off. I sold it, and I got to buy it back. It just had news around 8:30 this morning. Went from 24 to 25. Not a big move, about $1, but damn, big pop on that one. All right, the news on there: special communication support by outside counsel, the LLP, foreign accounting firms. We advised found no evidence of misconduct of part of management. Oh, was that with the audit? All right, so here we'll put that in news here for you. We'll put that on social media. That's the news that we got right there. So you guys could see that. That's the news right there on the that's the news, Brian, on the SMCI that you found. All right, good. Moving up really nice right there. Nice little pop. All right. Well, you heard it here first. Okay, so anyway, that was on the watch list. SMCI, that's probably going to make it up there. SNTI, another nice little inexpensive stock. Nice spread, nice movement. We're getting a ladder effect on this stock. I keep seeing people bidding up for it. There's a buyer out there. He's bidding it up. He started around 525. Now he's at 550. You see him right here? The ladder we're getting right there. Okay. So that's another nice moving stock right there. SNTI. Don't confuse it with SMCI. All right. This one up 63%, 7 million shares, but she's not going anywhere. BT, another stock, gapped up pretty big around 7 o'clock this morning. Hasn't gone anywhere, so we're going to scratch that out. This one is moving up pretty nicely, but the spread is pretty ugly. Talking about a category 4 on that stock. Mob, this stock is moving pretty well. Nice trend, nice movement, nice pop, inexpensive. Category 3, volume just started picking up on that one. That one's going on the watch list. CABA, we traded this stock before. Had a nice little move on Friday. You could see it right here. Ran from $3.50 up to $4. It's going up now on the long-term chart. Just really quick here. We got some resistance levels. Looks like we kind of broke it. Yeah. Maybe we could test. Maybe we could test the 625. All right. CABA. I might be shocked. It might be a good Monday, coming back from a holiday. All right. SMCX. This one is moving up really nice. Another big pop. ETF, big spread, expensive. So anyway, it's probably running side by side with probably has something to do with the SMCI and everything else. All right. Wow. We're at number 8 and we're at 30%. That is a huge, big percentage gainers in the market right now. Very, very impressive. There's SMCI still going up. We're at 38.80. Still got a push on that. Let me go check on the orders on that SMCI. It's going to take me a little time to bring it up. See what we got going on out there. All right, so Yeah, this thing's going. Yeah. What's nice about big orders are getting filled right here. Look at all the orders out there. 39. We got big order out there. 40. These guys just got taken out at 30, 38.50. Looking pretty strong on the SMCI. Looks like everyone's going to be all over it today. So that one definitely is going to be a big move. Just remember, SMCI is a very volatile stock. All right. So unless you're one of the advanced traders, been trading for a while, that's, then it's up your alley. This one also is moving up pretty nicely. KULR. Nice little push. Not really, at 6 o'clock this morning, it's on the downtrend, but the stock has been pretty good on the last couple of days. Did pretty well on Friday. 80 cents. Things up to $1.80. Cheap, nice spread. There it is right there. UMAC on the New York. Number 2 biggest percentage gainer again. All right. Remember what I told you on Friday? You can't own them all, right? So, yeah, we're getting a big push on the SMCI. You could see it right here. We're already up. They love that news. Love that news. We're already going to be testing 40. We got the 70,000 share seller out there. We'll see what happens. We get close to that order right there. It could be a gap fill. Looks like it probably filled in the gap. 39.20. Yeah, what's the lows here? Yep, 40 is what's the lows right there? Yeah, 39.80. Looks like we got a little gap fill right here. So that one's looking pretty good. Anyway, that was a good swing trade from 15. I was telling you guys that. Keep an eye on it. All right, traders, anything else I did not call out? Let's get ready for the market open. We've got 15 minutes. Good lists for a Monday. I'm telling you, I'm very, very impressed. Very impressed on a day like today, come back from a holiday to get these amount of stocks that are on our watch list. So it looks like we're going to have a fun opening. All right. Anyone on social media? Anybody else missing anything? All right. Just really quick on Bitcoin. It did take a little bit of a hit in the market. I saw it down about 2,500. Did come back a little bit. So listen, I was watching a video. I was just telling Josh before we started this meeting. There was a guy on CNBC. I'm going to make a video on it. And if you're not watching me or following me, make sure you like us, friend us on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, whatever it is. But I'm going to post this video. And this one guy said that he's expecting Bitcoin to hit 5 million in 5 years. Okay. Me and Josh fell off our chairs. Like, we would just have you get to 250. But 5 million, how does this guy have I don't even know how to even say it to be nice. The audacity, I don't know. 5 million, 5 years. Are you kidding me? I mean, anyway, I had a friend of mine, my son bought the stock Bitcoin at 500. I thought he was out of his effing mind. And the thing, he sold it at 5,000. Now it's at 100,000, right? So who knows? But anyway, I'm going to post this video. You got to watch it. Okay. I'll have it on I'll put it on my watch list. I'll put it on my social media. You just guys got to watch it. 5 million. Seriously? I mean, that's like buying $1 stock right now and it's going to 500. You know what I mean? So anyway, let's get ready for the market open up, everybody. And I know Brian's laughing his ass off in the room. I know. What do you think, Brian? You think that's for real? 5 million? Seriously? All right. Let's get ready for the open. Let's get ready for the market to open up. If you're watching on social media, make sure you take your camera. You got the little QR code top left-hand corner. If you're watching recording, we're live here every morning at 9 a.m. and at 2:30. If you want to register, we'll be here all day. Just click on that link and we'll be happy to see you in there. Cyber traders, remember, let's not get too cocky. Let's still focus on the nickels and dimes when the market opens up. Let's focus on some of the swing trades that we got that are doing pretty well also. And if you, like you said, if you see something, say something. We got the podcast is coming tomorrow. We have Josh is Traders Talk today. Don't forget about that. And then next week, big event. We have the Cyber Expo. We're going to have 10 of some of the best, gurus that I know in the industry. And we have a featured special guest that is going to be a keynote speaker. Make sure you look at that. Make sure you check that out. And, we're going to keep it quiet right now until we post it. But I think you guys will be very impressed with what we got coming on as a keynote speaker. Someone I think you guys are going to learn a lot from. Somebody I know for a long time, one of the biggest names on Wall Street. So you don't want to miss it. Good luck, everybody. See you back in 15 minutes. Don't go anywhere.